What's up, guys? Just real quick, I wanted to introduce you to somebody I just ran into. This is my doctor, Dr. Acula.
Yes.
Great doctor, highly recommend him. And which reminds me, I am due for my blood work.
You are. A bit overdue, actually.
Yes.
Yes, if any of you are in need of some good hematology, let me know. I am one of the world's foremost experts. Always looking to do a bit more research.
Tell you what, sometimes he can be a little rough, but he does great work, and walk-ins are always welcome, day or night. It doesn't matter. What's up, everybody? Rudy here, and this right here is Rudy having fun. If you haven't put it together yet, we are here at Universal Studios Hollywood today. I'm hearing there's a lot of filming going down on the lower lot right now, so I'm gonna start the day here. I've seen a lot of stuff online about people seeing a lot of celebrity sightings in the backlot right now, which is why I'm excited to go. Just the other day I saw The Rock, and I can't remember the other person, but I'm hopeful. If not today, then when? I feel like we've got a more than 0% chance that we get a celebrity sighting today. How much more? I don't know. They also said that the tour is shortened down to 35 minutes because of all the filming that's going on down here right now. So what they're saying is this is some secret project. The one thing I know for sure is that The Rock is in it, because that right there is his, like, basically his travel gem, that trailer right there. Looks like they're doing a lot of work over at 6 Points as well.
They're giving these sets some enhancements, like on the right here we have some Western sets. This is an area known as 6 Points. And just about every one of these Universal Western stars walk these streets at one time or another. Don't worry though.
Wow, tons of work going on down there. All these walls up. That's gonna be, I bet you that's gonna be really different.
Right now, the police divers are in the water.
Tore everything out.
Final check of the harbor before reopening the beaches.
All right. No such luck this time, but I think I'm gonna run it back one more time before we get out of here. We'll see how it goes though. Of course, we didn't go buy those murals, but there's an artist that did like a graffiti art of all the Universal monsters along the building, and he designed this sweater. So whatever. We didn't get to see it this time, but still, pretty sweet. You know I'm not gonna skip Jurassic World, right? What's up, Lou? Timmy? He's in the well? Where is he? Show me. That way? Okay. Nice curtain. Oh my God, that's a T-Rex, Blue! You lied to me! Never trusting her again.
Yeah, you could. Good girl, good girl. There we go.
I don't care how cute she is. Don't trust anything she says.
A little bit more amenable to my
She almost got me killed right now.
We should be just peachy. All right, let's have our next volunteers. They come up and start.
I guess since it's so slow, I'll go ahead and check out Super Nintendo World. Get into the details a little bit. I wonder if there's actually a person in there. Is there a person in there?
It's a toad, man.
Oh, it's a toad. That's right.
Japan, man, first class.
I guess it's a toad. My bad. What is this? I've never seen this before. It's like whack-a-mole. Whack-a-mole, whack-a-mole. What do you win?
Huh?
What do you win?
Usually a key on your power band, but since they didn't have one, it's like a fun game, yeah.
Okay. I know it's pretty sad, but I legit did not know that any of these little games existed. Oh wow, I guess this is another one of the games. Technically, you need a power band. Whoa, this is cool. Making that torch light up, whatever that means. All right, it's gonna be too hard to play with the camera, so I'm just gonna film what it looks like real quick. But basically my shadow, that was 10, so I'll show you. Here's my shadow, and I'm swiping things away, throwing things, but I'm just gonna throw myself out the exit. But pretty cool. Here's another little secret passageway. Let's check out where this leads. Oh my goodness, there's so much more to this land than I had any idea. What in the heck? Wow. Look at this, a little, what are these called? Like a little viewfinder kind of thing. How fun is that? Man, I had no idea. I feel so dumb that I never knew this stuff was here. I've been here so many times. Looks like there might be one last little area underneath this guy right here that has some interactive play stuff. So I'm gonna check that out real quick. What's going on in here?
We have a game, Power Challenge.
You need a band though?
Play, go for it.
What is it?
Same color. Go ahead and tap the key to start.
Did I win? Heck yeah. That's it? Haha. All right. I won. Now, I know it is a little hazy today, but I have a theory, being that it is golden hour, roughly around 4:30, that this is the best lighting of the day, and it might be the best time to possibly see celebrities. So I'm going round 2. So the way I look at it, I've doubled my more than 0% chance that we're gonna see a celebrity on the studio tour today.
You guys, today's tour is gonna be weird and awesome. Here's what's happening. They are filming such a huge production out there that many parts of this tour I'm gonna have to be silent for. We call it a quiet zone. I cannot tell you what this production is. I'm not trying to be coy, you guys. I've signed a non-disclosure agreement. I can tell you it's huge. So huge, it's A-list actors. We're gonna be this close to the filming. This is such a weird day. Every day is different. You never know what you're gonna see out there, truly. But today is bananas in the best way possible because we are going by huge production and I will have to be silent. All right, are we ready to go? We're ready to go. Wave goodbye to all those people still standing in line. Bye, everybody. We'll miss you. Oh, no, we won't.
Jumanji. I think they're from the Jumanji. He looked like he was in the Jumanji outfit. He was wearing like a tan shirt he wears in Jumanji. It looked exactly like him. I mean, do I know for sure? No. But it looks like Doom. Yeah. Yes, 100%. Maybe she'll say something after. There's the artist right there that I was talking about that made my sweater.
All right, you guys, our big quiet zones are officially over. There's going to be one more big one at the end of the tour. Thank you. How cool is that, you guys? Now we're going to stop for just a second. Remember to stay seated, of course. We're going to park in a safe area by a whole bunch of flammable gasoline. That's real. That feels so good to me right now. I'll take it, right? Yes.
was our tour guide back there. And I did ask her, because I'm pretty sure I saw The Rock, and she did not say, for the record. However, I swear to you, I saw The Rock. Hopefully I got it on camera because this doesn't zoom in very well. And I did a little research online, and it does say that they're filming Jumanji 3 due out in December of this year. So I'm gonna go ahead and say, before looking at the film, that I got a small glimpse of The Rock in his Jumanji outfit just now, which is pretty exciting. That's the first ever possible celebrity sighting I've ever had on this tour, so I say successful day, personally. For a little reference, I'm gonna obviously edit this later, but without editing, I don't know exactly what I got on camera. This is what I saw. I saw a guy dressed like this talking to someone way far away, so we'll see. We'll see after this is all said and done if that lines up. One last little view of the back lot, just for future reference. It's obviously winter / Christmas time with all the lights. You can see the trees set up in town square with the snow on the trees. So we're gonna have to see when Jumanji comes out later this year whether or not I'm correct. Apparently the Universal Bazaar is a new boutique shop with special merch. And look what's right here on the front. They have a whole birds section. And you know right away what that means. I gotta say it. Hitchcock would be proud. It's the best I could do, but I had to do it. I'm sorry. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please consider checking out some of my other videos. I've got over 130 videos now for your enjoyment. And other than that, I really appreciate you watching. And I hope to see you next time. Peace!